So I was moving to my new apartment and I messed up these string lights, and now they're kind of like so tangled that I really don't want to spend like an hour to untangle them. So I got this cute little blue jar from a thrift store. Rather than untangling them, what I did, I basically like tried to shove them in the glass bottle. But you can't just put them in bunches. Like, you know, there would be like bunches of the metal strings, which are kind of together. So you have to manually basically stretch them out. You don't have to untangle them. That's the point of this. But you can just stretch them out so that they're at least like singular strands, and so that they don't they don't like form a bunch inside the glass jar. And then you just keep stretching them out and then pushing them in, stretching them out, pushing them in. Um, and that ways you can like fill the whole jar up. So as you can see, I'm just kind of like stretching them out so they're not like bunched up together, because that doesn't look good inside the jar. They have to be kind of like spread around the jar. I don't know if it's a jar or if it's a vase. I don't know. Everybody calls it a different thing. It's just a glass thing. Um, so, and I basically kept kind of adjusting it, pulling them out, pushing them in, pulling them out, pushing them in until I was kind of satisfied. And this is the result that I got. So I hope you guys make this. Post your pictures in the comments if possible. I don't know if you can attach pictures, but yeah, send them to me, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.